what is still quite a standard right now is that a vessel loads a cargo from an LNG terminal, then brings it to the destination, to the customer, and then basically it has to sail back empty. Of course, this is suboptimal. But the reason it works like this is that you have many individual players who produce LNG. If you would look at it from a truly global LNG perspective, then there's actually a lot of opportunity to consolidate these trips. So if a vessel goes from Qatar to the UK and then empty back, why not on the way back go via Norway, load your cargo there and bring that to Spain on the way back? If you look at it from a global perspective, there's opportunities there, but right now that's not really being utilized, mostly because there's many individual players. But what you do see is that the larger oil and gas companies like Shell, BP, they have stakes in many of the local LNG projects around the world. So they really are in the position to benefit from this global market.